Hey everyone, welcome to Yellow Jacket Garage. Hey, good day everybody. What we're going to do today is, as I promised before, we're going to show you how to use the Quickjack, the BL-5000 SLX, kind of a first use video, how quick and easy it is to set it up and get your car up in the air and get the work done that you need to do. I can tell you already that from my little bit of experience now with it and kind of seeing how it works and what it does, that I think it's going to be fantastic to be able to use this jack and actually do stuff on my car that I want to do to it. So without further ado, let's get going with it. Okay, so I've gone ahead and already put the rail under the other side, kind of got it lined up, kind of gave me a little bit of an idea of how to do it, so make it a little bit easier, hopefully a little less painful on the eyes for everybody else that's doing this. I do have a knee pad on one side, I didn't put the knee pad on the other side. Basically just, again, the concrete floor, and my knees don't like it, so we do the best we can to take care of our bodies. So anyway, moving it around, the handle's pretty easy. Kind of position it underneath the car. And it looks like it needs to go a little further forward for the jacking points. So just slide it a little bit. Nope, still needs to go a little more. Think that one's there. That one is there. Kind of looking at it to make sure it is in line with the body of the car, so it lifts it up straight. Alright, I've got that one lined up. I think this needs out just a little bit. Alright, that one looks like it's lined up. I'm going to go around the other side and verify that it's all lined up, and then we'll see how it goes from there. Okay, so I got the other side lined up. It looks pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and connect the hose. Really, really simple. It just has the coupler. And that's it. It clicked together really pretty easy. I do have one of the shop towels on the floor underneath it, just in case there's any seepage from the fittings or anything like that. Just kind of just a safety measure to keep the hydraulic fluid off the floor of the garage. That's about it. So, all right. Next, we've got the power unit. I'm going to sit it over here behind the car. I don't know if you can see that. I do have a piece of cardboard back there. Let me adjust the camera just a little bit. Should be good there. So. I've got it back here so that I'm close to a power source that is at the back of the car, so the hoses go around the sides. So. This is a hose from the passenger side. It's clicked in just that easy. Power forward over here. Now we'll take the hose from the driver's side. Open it up. And on it goes. Really, it's that easy to set this thing up. Now we're going to go ahead and plug it in. We've got power to the power unit. Double check all the hoses. Everything is put together. All right. Give it just a little bit of power and check the contact points. Make sure they're going to contact where they need to. Got that one centered. that one centered. That one's good. And that one's good. All right, we got it off the ground a little bit. Now I want to check and make sure again. Yeah, that looks good. And those look good. It is sitting on its perches real well, so now we're going to run it up to the first stop. You hear those clicks? And there we are. We're locked into the first stop. Give it a shake. Everything is good to go. All right, now that we got that in there and locked, let's run it up to the top setting. All right, and make sure it's locked in. All right, it's locked in on the highest setting. On this car, it gives me about roughly 18 inches of clearance, 20 inches of clearance underneath, so I could do pretty much anything that I think I need to do as far as exhaust work or things like that. It's in the air high enough to do the work. It's on a stable platform. I really think that the Quickjack is going to be a fantastic addition to the garage. So now, dropping it down is as easy as take a little bit of pressure off of it. Use your foot, lift it up so that cam rotates around. Same thing on that side. And there goes the down button. The big thing is to make sure that when you are lowering it down, that it does clear the locking points. If it doesn't, it'll start twisting a little bit. So pay attention to what you're doing. Make sure that it goes down even, and it'll hit the lower point and rock right over them. So that's basically it. And that's how easy it is to use Quickjack BL-5000 SLX. I really think that it's a fantastic addition to the garage, like I said earlier. Kind of wondering why I didn't buy one sooner. However, like I said, I got this one on sale. The sale saved, $300 or $400. So it seemed like the time to do it. And I think I'm going to be glad that I did. So thanks for watching. Appreciate it. If you like the channel, click subscribe. If you like the video, click like. Comment in the comments below. Let me know what you think. This is video number 2 that I've done, so I'm sure they'll get better as I go. Hopefully. If not, you won't watch. But again, thanks. Have a great day.